Over the years, Toyota has faced its fair share of criticism for its perceived lack of commitment to the electrification of its vehicle lineup. However, the Japanese automaker shattered those notions recently with a momentous announcement. The Toyota CEO took the stage to unveil a staggering 12 new electric cars, offering a glimpse into what lies ahead in the next few years.
Toyota is really going full throttle on a variety of technologies.
A groundbreaking new car is about to be unveiled by the Japanese automotive giant. This forthcoming electric SUV, which is scheduled to go on sale in 2025, will be a radical redesign of the well-known Toyota Highlander. It is evident that Toyota is determined to recover its position in the electric car revolution and steer the firm toward a future where electrification will predominate. Join us as we delve into the details of this Toyota's remarkable new electric car. If you like what you see, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit that bell to get notified of new videos. Since Akio Toyoda's tenure, Toyota has lagged behind in the electric vehicle revolution, and even under Koji Sato's leadership, little seems to have changed. The company has openly expressed its skepticism toward an all-electric future, instead opting to provide customers with various options. Thus, it was surprising when Toyota recently announced its intention to introduce a range of upcoming EVs, with the most exciting being an electrified version of the popular Toyota Highlander, set to debut in the United States. This significant development signifies Toyota's first venture into manufacturing an electric vehicle in the United States. Consequently, the new SUV, including its batteries, will qualify for a $7,500 tax credit, a notable incentive for prospective EV buyers in the U.S. The Toyota Motor Manufacturing Kentucky facility, currently responsible for producing models such as the Toyota Camry, Toyota RAV4, and Lexus ES, will serve as the production site for this forthcoming EV. Additionally, Toyota has disclosed plans to establish a new battery production plant in North Carolina to manufacture the batteries for this three-row electric SUV. Toyota's commitment to the EV market is reflected in its substantial investment of $2.1 billion in constructing the North Carolina battery production plant. This plant forms part of Toyota's broader $5.9 billion investment in Toyota North Carolina, highlighting the company's dedication to the region. The North Carolina battery production plant is poised to become a central hub for Toyota's expanding lineup of electrified vehicles, featuring a total of 6 battery production lines by 2025. Among these lines, 4 will be dedicated to producing batteries for hybrid vehicles, while the remaining 2 will be specifically designed for manufacturing batteries for electric vehicles. Specific information regarding the design and aesthetics of the upcoming Toyota three-row electric SUV remains undisclosed at present. However, Toyota did present the BZ large SUV concept as part of its exhibition, featuring 16 diverse all-electric concept cars in late 2021. While it remains uncertain whether the production version of the three-row electric SUV will resemble the concept vehicle provides a glimpse into Toyota's design direction for electric SUVs. While detailed information about the new models is currently limited, Sato mentioned that they will be developed using 3 distinct platforms, one for the body and chassis, one for the electronics, and one for the software. These platforms aim to establish a logical structure specifically tailored to battery electric vehicles, or BEVs, and enable innovative vehicle packaging for enhanced mobility. This suggests that Toyota is striving to optimize the design and functionality of its future electric vehicles. There is also a possibility of sharing design elements with the previously unveiled BZ large SUV concept, indicating potential similarities in certain design characteristics. If the Highlander EV draws inspiration from the BZ large SUV concept, it could exhibit a boxy shape that combines a spacious interior with a rugged and bold exterior appearance. Additionally, sleek LED headlights and taillights are likely features, as they are commonly found in contemporary vehicle designs, contributing to a more futuristic and distinctive aesthetic. Moreover, the front of the Highlander EV is expected to prominently display the Toyota logo, emphasizing the brand's identity and familiarity. Furthermore, the Highlander EV is anticipated to come equipped with a range of standard infotainment features to enhance the overall driving experience. These features may encompass Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling and audio streaming, satellite navigation for convenient and accurate route guidance, AM, FM, and DAB radio for access to a wide variety of radio stations, a 6-speaker audio system for an immersive sound experience, and voice recognition technology for effortless control of various functions. The Highlander EV is anticipated to prioritize convenience in terms of easy access to and from its 3 rows of seating, ensuring quick ingress and exit for passengers. Additionally, Toyota plans to provide plenty of storage, especially in the first and second rows, so that passengers can readily keep their items. Toyota will create a special branch, dubbed the BEV Factory, to make the switch to electric vehicles easier. The creation, manufacture, and assembly of the new electric vehicles, as well as any prospective advancements in battery technology and other associated components, are all anticipated to be significant tasks for this division. The Highlander EV is anticipated to be well received given the success of the 2022 hybrid variant. In 2021, the Australian market received the 2022 Toyota Highlander, a 5-door wagon. It has an all-wheel drive system and can accommodate up to 7 people. Under the hood, the Highlander is equipped with a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine working in conjunction with an electric hybrid system. The engine generates 142 kilowatts of power at 6,000 RPM and produces 240 Nm of torque at 4,400 RPM. Power is transmitted to the wheels through a continuously variable transmission, or CVT. Toyota claims that the Highlander achieves a fuel efficiency rating of 5.6 liters per 100 kilometers in combined city and highway driving, utilizing a premium unleaded electric hybrid fuel type. In terms of emissions, it emits approximately 128 grams of CO2 per kilometer. With a 65-liter fuel tank, the Highlander is estimated to have a travel range of approximately 1,161 kilometers under average driving conditions. Since its debut, the Toyota Highlander has garnered popularity among buyers seeking a spacious, comfortable, and practical family SUV with lower operating costs. The upcoming electric variant is expected to continue this trend. Toyota has previously emphasized its commitment to enhancing the driving range of its future electric vehicles. The company has stated that its upcoming EVs will aim to offer double the driving range compared to its current electric models. This commitment reflects Toyota's intention to address a key concern for electric vehicle adoption: range anxiety. Currently, Toyota offers 2 EV models in Canada: the Lexus RZ450e and the Toyota bZ4X, which is also marketed as the Subaru Solterra, as a result of joint development with Subaru. While the specific driving ranges of these models may differ, Toyota acknowledges the importance of extending the range capabilities of its EV lineup. With this commitment, it is reasonable to anticipate a significant improvement in driving range for Toyota's new SUV EV. Toyota's forthcoming zero-emission family SUV will enter a competitive market that includes other large 3-row electric vehicles, such as the Kia EV9 and the Ioniq 7. The presence of these EVs, along with potential models from other automakers, demonstrates the recognition of the demand for spacious and versatile electric SUVs in both the US and Australian markets. Regarding market availability, it remains uncertain whether the Toyota 3-row electric SUV will exclusively target the North American market, or if it will also be produced in a right-hand drive configuration for export to markets like Australia. Toyota has not provided definitive information on this aspect, and further announcements or details from the company may clarify the global availability of the vehicle. Notably, Ford recently announced its plans to introduce a 3-row electric SUV in the US market by 2025. The simultaneous announcements from both Toyota and Ford regarding their respective 3-row electric SUVs indicate the growing competition and focus on the electric SUV segment. Toyota's commitment to the electric vehicle market is evident through its plans to unveil a range of upcoming EVs, including an electric variant of the popular Highlander SUV. With a focus on extending the driving range and addressing consumer concerns, Toyota aims to make significant strides in the EV revolution. Toyota's smart move to guarantee the presence of at least one vehicle in each vehicle sector as part of its strategic strategy enables the corporation to compete successfully on numerous fronts. The company's entrance into the 3-row electric SUV segment will undoubtedly face competition from other automakers. signaling the growing demand for spacious and versatile electric vehicles. As the market continues to evolve, it remains to be seen how Toyota's electric offerings will fare and how the company will position itself in the ever-expanding electric vehicle landscape. What are your thoughts on Toyota's upcoming electric SUV? Tell us in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.